Guys, I'd like to read you from the Study Bible, Matthew 28, verses 17 to 19. When they saw him, they worshipped him, but some doubted. Then Jesus came to them and said, "All authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me. Therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. And surely I am with you always, to the very end of the age." Yes, Jesus, we're going to guide you and lead you, and He'll be with you till the end of the age. Just let Him into your heart and let Him guide you. Have a pleasant day, guys. Cheers for now.